Your money mindset can absolutely determine the success of your business. And I want you to succeed so you can impact more lives by sharing yoga. So let's talk about that money. First of all, we all have a money story. We all have it. I don't know your background, but we all have that story. So I need you to get to know yours. Because once you understand how you feel about money, then you can see how it can impact the way that you shape your business. Once you know where you're starting, then it's really important to think about money as a neutral piece of energy. We need to think about it as money is not good or bad. It's what we do with the money that changes that energy. So I want you to think about money as an exchange of energy. A private client of yours who's paying a premium to work with you is amazing. Just like someone walking into your yoga class. This is amazing. And there's an exchange of energy that's being made in that time. So I want you to remember that money is neutral. Think about how much good you can do if you earn more money. Think about all the things you could offer. So here's an example. If you have 5 spots in a workshop or a class series that would get you to your revenue goal where you are happy to offer this class series or workshop for 5 people, but the room can fit more. So why don't you offer a 6th spot on a scholarship or a discounted rate? This will allow you to serve the audience that can't necessarily afford your offering, but you are still earning the money that you deserve as a yoga teacher. So you can get really creative with how you earn your money, but also how you give back to your community. I am not saying that you have to make all the money and you can't serve your entire community. What I want you to do is think about your dream student and how you could serve them best. And if there is a subset of people who cannot afford your offering, that is okay. And if you earn enough money to live the life you want to live, then you can offer a free option or a discounted option to that community. There are ways to go about giving while you're also earning money and living the life that you want to live. And if you find yourself really struggling to set a certain price point, I want you to really journal about it and think about where that's coming from. A really great tool to do this is Jen Sincero's book, You Are a Badass at Making Money. I highly recommend doing this and taking her exercises that she has you do. And there's one that's writing a letter to money. That is a big game changer that will change the way that you look at money, I promise. Until next time, I want you to give yourself permission to think about money in a very positive way and grace along the way. Talk to you soon.